How to verify your Skrill account. Hey everybody and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be guiding you through the process. So let's get started. For that, you can start by opening up your account and registering for your Skrill account in Skrill.com. And once you are registered, you will be finding this dashboard and you will be finding the dashboard with the deposit being successful. So what you need to do in order to verify your account is from your left hand sidebar, you need to select the option of settings. So go over to settings and tap on it. And once you do, a bunch of options appear on your screen. So what you need to do is from the given options, go over and select the option of verification. So just go ahead and tap on it, click on it. And once you click on it, you can even look out for this option called account verification and verify. So just go ahead and click on it and start up the process. Now here what you need to do is you can download the mobile application for faster method, or you can select this option called upload photos and start with the verification. So select it up, and once you select it up you need to select from which country you are issuing. So you can just go ahead and select up the reason from which country you're issuing it. So you can select up your passport, driver license, or identity card, any of the methods for verification, select it up. And once you do so, you can upload a file or take a photo. So you need to take a picture of a valid ID card, either the back and front of the card, like both back and front of the card. So just go ahead and follow this step by step. So select up your front photo first and complete it up. After that, the back photo. And once you do so, the documents will be submitted and you will be receiving an email once your verification is complete. You can continue for now, and that is how you verify it. Once it is completed, you can even verify your address, and that's it. So that is it, everybody. If you want to verify your Skrill account as well, you may head over and follow up these steps. So do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.